I have an MFJ 998 RT remote antenna tuner. It's rated for 1500 watts. One day, after about 2 years of operation, I noticed that the unit would no longer tune, and I noticed also static crashes when receiving. After opening the unit, I had found that the weather seal was defective in certain areas. There was some water in the unit. But I also discovered that relay K1, which is this relay right here, suffered a catastrophic failure. And it was caused by this resistor, resistor 121. This is not the resistor that caused the problem. This is a replacement. But physically, it's mounted next to the unit, and this resistor was totally vaporized, and obviously it melted the casing of the resistor, of the coil. The coil and the resistor are actually located in this location here. That's R121 and relay K1. Doing some investigation on the internet, I discovered a Japanese ham who suffered the same fate. He determined that while the resistor 121 is rated for 15 watts of heat dissipation, in free air it's only a tenth of that, and I did confirm that with the spec sheets of the manufacturer. MFJ did not install this resistor with any kind of a heat sink, so obviously the heat dissipation at a particular operating condition was in excess of the 1.5 watts in free air. His solution was to manufacture a heat sink, a brass heat sink, and locate it in this area. I was looking at an easier way of doing it, and when looking at this aluminum cover here, thought that maybe best thing to do would be just to put the replacement resistor mounted onto this aluminum cover here. And there are two places where you could do it. You could buy yourself a 50 watt, a 30 to 50 watt resistor, and mount it in this location here, where there are smaller screw diameters to accommodate the resistor. Or you can buy yourself a 100 watt resistor and mount it right here. I chose this location because it is away from the display here, and there's more mass in this location here to absorb any excess heat that the resistor has to dissipate. And I've replaced the relay. Had to clean up a lot of the carbon that had gotten all over this area here. It was quite a job to do that. But the unit does function now, and it seems to be working well. So I hope this helps you if you suffer the same situation.